To transfer money from your PayActiv card to Cash App, start by ensuring you have the Cash App and PayActiv card information readily available. First, open the Cash App on your mobile device and log into your account. Navigate to the Banking tab, which is typically represented by a bank icon, and select Add Cash. You will then be prompted to link a bank or card. Select the card option and enter the details of your PayActiv card, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Verify the information is correct and confirm the addition of the card. Once the PayActiv card is linked, go back to the Banking tab and select the Transfer Money option. Choose the PayActiv card as the source of the funds and enter the amount you wish to transfer. Review the transaction details to ensure everything is accurate, including the amount and the destination, which should be your Cash App balance. After verifying the information, confirm the transfer. The funds will be moved from your PayActiv card to your Cash App account. This process typically takes a few minutes to complete, depending on the systems involved. It is essential to note that transfer limits and fees may apply, so it is crucial to check the terms and conditions of both your PayActiv card and Cash App account before initiating the transfer. Additionally, ensure your PayActiv card has sufficient funds to cover the transfer amount to avoid any declined transactions or associated fees. By following these steps, you can successfully transfer money from your PayActiv card to your Cash App account, allowing you to access your funds more conveniently. Always review your account activity and transaction history to ensure everything is in order and to promptly address any discrepancies.